Here in Jimenez, Misamis Occidental, specifically in San Juan Bautista Church, is the home of the oldest pipe organ in the Philippines. Not known to everyone, Spaniards settled in Misamis Occidental, where the remains can be seen today. The pipe organ was acquired in 1894 from Spain by notable organ-assembled family of Roques, Hermanos Constructores in Zaragoza, España.
Dahil kani may playable yun.
Ang kato sa Las Piñas, no?
Bamboo organ man to.
Bamboo organ.
Sila may gamitin ane. Wani sila next week.
The crowning piece of the entire parish church when it was started to build in 1859. Thanks to Maestro Sir Oxelium Balais for the wonderful time and playing great music to the historical pipe organ in the country. The church is being declared as National Cultural Treasure through the help of National Commission for Culture and Arts, and the restoration was completed in June 2011.